Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to create a table in your web page. So make sure you watch this video to the end so that you can gather all the knowledge required to create a table in your web page. Moving ahead, we'll dive straight into the code. So I'm just going to remove all this code that is inside here so that we can create it from beginning. Start afresh so that you can see all the steps required to create table. Right, let's start from beginning. So first of all, we're going to create a table tag, and inside this table tag we'll create a T arrow, then a th. This th actually means the table head. Like, don't worry, when we get to that part, I'll explain show you what it is. So we'll just go with name. So we'll just copy this and we'll paste, and we'll paste again. Now we're just going to change this from name to age, change this one to occupation, then we'll change this one to country. So as you can see, this is what I was talking about. The th represents the table head. That's the things that will be showing on top, like the name, age, occupation, and country. Then the name now will be under this, just like that, like that, like that. So now that we've done this, let's create what will be under this our table head. So we'll see, go through the same process, the arrow, then we'll create the table body, which is td. Then we'll start name. Let me use John. I'll just copy this and paste, paste, and paste. Okay, name John, age is 34, occupation, let's go with programmer, and country USA. As you can see, everything is falling into place as it should be. Name John, age 34, occupation programmer, country USA. So we'll just duplicate this by copying this T arrow. From the T arrow, we'll copy this and we'll just paste and paste and paste. So let's change the name to be Mark, age 25, occupation is an, let's say, accountant, then country, let's use Brazil, Okay, let's change this to look. Look is 50 years old. Occupation. Look is a singer, and he's from Canada. Okay, then the last one, just go with Joy. Joy is Joy is 20. She's a singer, and she's from Nigeria. All right. So now we have gotten our table. As you can see, table is not that bad, but we need to style it. We need to make it look beautiful so that when you see it, when someone sees it, they'll say, "Wow, this is lovely." So what are we going to do? We're going to give it a class. A class. Let's give it a class name of customer. Give the class name of customer. So now we're going to go to our CSS. Okay, just delete all of this. We're going to go to our CSS now. We'll target the class dot customers. Make sure you get the class name correctly so that it will show dot customer. Okay, it's correct. So we're just going to start the styling. Now let's give it font font family. Let's give the font family of this grill sounds. Give it this font family of this. Okay, you can see the font has changed. Give it border collapse. It's border collapse of collapse. You can see as the border has actually gone out. So also give it a width of 100% to take up the screen. Now let's move on. Just copy the customer and we're targeting the TD class, the TD in the table, and the table head. So I will give it a border of 1px solid. Just give it this color code of okay. So you can see we're heading somewhere. So let's just give it a padding of 8px. So you can see how beautiful it is. Now let's keep going. A little more thing to do. Now we are going to target the nth child so that we can actually differentiate we can give the table a little bit of beauty, add a little more decoration to it. So we're targeting this and we go with the nth child. We just is then even. That is all the ones that are even. We'll give it this color, background color of, let's just give it this color code. So you can actually see the difference, see how beautiful it's looking. So with that done, we move over to the next one. Now we're targeting the arrow, so we can give it some hover effect. Let's give it some hover effect so that when you hover over it, it's gonna have some, different color so you can see the difference. So just give it background color of this color code, and you can see when you hover over it, is actually the color is actually changing. You see, hover, color will change. So that's done. Let's now do, let's decorate, let's change the table head. Let's make the table head beautiful. Let's make the table head beautiful. Customer table head th. Now let's give it padding top of 12 px. Give it padding bottom of 12 px still. So you can see we'll give it text align, take it to the left, right, and let's give it a background color of, we just use this color code 04 AA 6D. Wow, nice. And let's just change the color, give it color of white. So as you can see, our table is looking beautiful. So guys, this is how to add a table to your web page. Nothing much, not difficult. So if you've not liked and subscribed to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification so that whenever I post any of my programming videos or my programming tips videos, you can get notified, and also share it so that others can also enjoy the benefit of this video. Thank you guys for watching this video to the end. See you in our next video.